Hi, and welcome to another video on multiples. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe what a multiple is and how to find the different multiples of certain numbers. So let's have a look at what it is. A multiple is just a number that is the result of multiplying that number by something else. For example, the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. Multiples of 3 would start at 3 and go up by 3, so 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. There are going to be infinitely many multiples of a number. So if I was to write out all the multiples of 5, these are all the multiples of 5 up to about 210, I could have kept going on forever just by adding 5 each time. The multiples of a number will always be equal to or greater than that number. That means if you look at the multiples of 5, we start at 5 and we get bigger. There are no multiples that are going to be any smaller. For example, 4, 3, 2, 1, or 0. So how do we tell if a number is a multiple of another number? For example, how do I know if 124 is a multiple of 4? Well, if I wanted to do that, I could start at 4 and write all in the multiples of 4 up to 124, like this. It would take a very long time. We do find out that the number is a multiple, yay, but there's got to be a better way. So let me show you. To work out if 124 is a multiple of 4, all I've got to do is divide. If I can divide 124 by 4 and get a whole number, which I do, then it is a multiple. It also means that 4 lots of 31 is going to give me 124. Very useful to know. So what do you want to write? Well, it's important to write down the definition of what a multiple is. It's also a good idea to have a couple of examples, like the multiples of 2 and the multiples of 3. We talked about how many multiples there are of each number, infinitely many. And if we want to work out if a number is a multiple, we need to divide it. And we wrote it down an example of that. I'd also write in colored letters somewhere that if there is no remainder, then it is a multiple. And this is what you should write. Pause the video and get it down. And that's it. Hopefully now you can describe what a multiple is and how to find multiples of different numbers.